Welcome to Trading X-Ray. Today we will learn about a new indicator, Bollinger Bands. As you can see on the chart, Bollinger Bands consist of three lines. One is upper band, second is midline, and third is lower band. And if we see the setting of the Bollinger Bands indicator, we have length of 20 and standard deviation of 2. It means we are using 20 moving average as a midline and we are using standard deviation of 2. So according to the statistic, price always, most of the 95% of the time, price will always move within the standard deviation of 2. So the upper band and the lower band is showing the standard deviation of a price from the moving average of 20 period. Price has taken support at this point, this point, and this point, and price has taken resistance at the upper band. So it is showing price can take support on the lower band and can take resistance on the upper band. Lower band act as a support and upper band act as a resistance. But it doesn't happen all the time. We must also confirm with other price action and candlestick pattern. So if we check here, we can see that we are getting a spinning top here at the top at the upper band, and we are getting hammer at the lower band. Again, shooting star at the upper band and hammer at the lower band. Again, shooting star is spinning top, and then again hammer on the upper band, and again multiple hammer at the lower band. So what does this exactly showing? If we are getting any strong confirmation of candlestick pattern or price action with the Bollinger Band top or bottom, at the Bollinger Band top or bottom, we are ready to take trade. So we will take entry at the high of the hammer, and RSL will be at the low, and you can see we are getting 1:3 risk reward ratio. Now same case at the upper band also. We can take entry at the low of the shooting star, and SL will be at the high of the shooting star. We are getting 1:2.5 risk reward ratio. Now we will talk about Bollinger Band squeeze. What does this exactly mean? If you see the chart carefully, you can see that the distance between upper band and the lower band is high, but it is continuously decreasing, and the distance between upper band and lower band is shrink too much as compared to the previous candles. So whenever the shrink happen, it is known as Bollinger Band squeeze. It shows a side trend or a very low volatility, and after the Bollinger Band squeeze, if any candle crosses the upper band or lower band, then there is a high chance of getting a bullish rally or the bearish rally. So we can take entry at the high of the candle, breakout candle, and SL will be at the low of the breakout candle, and you can see we are getting this reward around 1:4. We can see that there is a consolidation here, and the distance between upper band and lower band is decreasing, and it is minimum at this point, and then this candle is doing a breakdown, so we can take entry at the low of the breakdown candle, and our SL will be at the high of the breakdown candle, and you can see the risk reward ratio 1:5. There is one other concept to the breakdown and breakout of Bollinger bands, that is walking the bands. Sometimes the breakdown is not so successful, but still the price is moving in the uptrend or the lower trend. As we can see that there is a breakdown, but we get the pullback just after it, and it doesn't cross the upper band, but we can see there is a strong uptrend, so we can take entry here also, and our SL will be at the midline of the Bollinger band. We are getting 1:6 risk reward ratio rally. As you can see, there is a strong bearish rally from here to here, but it crosses only 2 times. Whenever it crosses, we are getting the pullback, but still it doesn't cross the midpoint of the Bollinger bands, so we can take entry here to 5 1:6.3 risk reward ratio. As you can see, breakout happens here, but it becomes side trend and still moving up, and it is very close to the upper band. What a bull's rally! If we take in the entry here, and RSL will be at the midline of the Bollinger bands, we are getting (1:3) as risk reward ratio.
Comment, subscribe to get more free educational trading videos. Join our Telegram channel to get free trades.